Hello and welcome to this video on external traffic detection with Faddom. Faddom provides you the ability to see all your north-south traffic to and from your internet to help you get a better understanding of potential security threats. Faddom defines an external traffic as anything that is not discovered by Faddom. So this can include remote sites or data centers that Faddom does not yet discover. In order to see this, you can see from your main dashboard the number of servers with external traffic under the Security Insights bar. You can click here to get to the security dashboard. Alternatively, you can go to the left-hand side menu from any screen on Faddom, go to Secure, and click on Dashboard to get a generic overview where you can see your external traffic alerts, and you can also go direct to the external traffic dashboard. From here you can see the external traffic coming in, how much is coming from external sources, and what is going to external sources, your outbound traffic. You can see here you have 0 policy violations and 2 blacklist alerts. We will come on to those in a second, as well as the number of connections and the number of total servers with these traffic. You can see at the bottom you have 2 options. You have your incoming table and your outgoing table. Outgoing is per subnet. You can see more on that in our subnet anomalies feature and the accompanying video. And under incoming, you can also see your servers and the ports, and if you click on the number, you can see the number of connections currently active. You can see the country they are going to. This is based on geolocation of external ASNs, which ASN, and the last time this connection was active. And you can either add it to the blacklist. If it's green, that means it's allowed. If it's in the blacklist or you want to add it to the blacklist, you can click and then it will become red, as in the example on this survey. If we look here, you can see China, and you can see here it's red and highlighted in pink. So if you have lots and lots of connections, like hundreds, tens, hundreds of connections, the ones with policy violations will be at the top, making very easy for you to see. From here you can also set your external traffic policies as well as your blacklist countries by clicking on external traffic policy settings. From here you can see the default settings. This is generally based on the currently existing traffic, and you can apply current as policy. That will recreate the policies outgoing, and you can also do that for outgoing. You will see allowed by as baseline if it is created through that method, the source subnet, and the target. If you want, you can turn off that rule. That means that this rule will be alerted should it be violated, or you can edit it should you notice something is not working. So in this rule, for example, it is an outgoing policy from this subnet. It's going to any country and specifically to Amazon O2 ASN. So that will be ignored for the terms of the policy. This way you can verify that your firewalls are working by being alerted on anything that is not explicitly allowed. In order to set up your blacklist, you have a toggle here. Currently it is switched on. You can turn it on and off by clicking on that. And you can remove countries from the list by simply clicking on the X. You can scroll through the list, and you can also choose specific countries. You can collapse the menu, and you can select as many countries as you want, and you can also update the IP address online. That will just pull in the information via our API, or you can click on update IP database offline, and you'll be able to download an Excel file, CSV, that you can then upload to Faddom in order to make sure you have the latest data. Using this policy and blacklist, you'll be able to ensure that any illegal traffic is immediately detected and alerted. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.